right, look over at the screen. Okay, you see the screen? Now, we are going to put our finger on the words at the top. Do you see that? There's some big words and it says sort by color. We're going to read starting right here. Okay, I'm going to get my long pointer again. And here we go. Let's read these words here. Find them on your paper. It says circle the objects that are the same color. All right? So which objects are the same color in here? Raise your hand if you can tell us something. Mackenzie, what's the same color?
That blue one, that's the blue star.
The blue stars. Circle the blue star. Who can tell me another thing that is the same color as something else? Skylar. What's another thing that's the same as the blue star?
The candle.
The candle. Very good. The candle. And there's one other thing. What is the same? Benjamin, what's the same? What's the other thing that's the
Blueberry. Even though I went down more.
Okay, it's not a blueberry. It is blue, but what is it? Julia, do you know what it is?
A bowling ball.
It is a bowling ball. It's got 3 holes for your fingers, so it's a bowling ball. Very good. Circle that one. All right? Now, look at the next row. Who can tell me something that's the same color as something else in the row? Lydia.
The fire hat.
The fire hat. What color is it, Lydia?
Red.
Red. Circle the fire hat. Okay, now let's see. Someone else. Lily. Lily. What is something else that's the same color as the fire hat?
The
The balloon. Very good. And we need one more thing. What's it going to be? What thing is the same? Madeline, what thing's the same as the fire hat and the balloon?
boot.
The boot. Very good. Excellent. You should be circling these. If you have, wonderful. All right, let's move down to the next row. Tell me something that is the same color as another thing in the row. Blake.
The hat.
The hat. What kind of hat is that?
Cowboy
A
hat.
cowboy hat. What color is it, class? Brown. Very good. So circle it. What other thing is the same as the cowboy hat? Joshua.
The ball.
The bowl. Yes, the bowl. You might eat cereal in it or ice cream. All right, so the bowl. And we need one other thing that's the same. Rhett, do you see something?
The little uniform thingy.
Okay, you called it a uniform. All right, it's an apron. Raise your hand if mommy has an apron at home that maybe she uses in the kitchen to keep her. Or maybe your dad does. Some daddies have aprons. Or grandma, yes. So our apron, circle that. Very good. Excellent. All right, now the next row, the bottom row, something that's the same color as something else. Gaius.
Well, I was wondering, I think the bowl, the brown bowl, a coconut bowl, and
Ah,
a shoe.
very good. A coconut bowl. And yes, you said the shoe is the same color. What color is the shoe, class?
Yellow.
Yellow. Tell me something else that is the same color. Melody. We have a
The
shoe.
banana.
Ooh, the bananas. Did anyone eat a banana for breakfast today?
Me.
Did anybody? Wonderful. Very good. All right, Mason, can you tell me the last thing that matches on this row? What is the next thing that's the same color?
The chip.
The chick. Very nice. Very good. The chick. When you are finished with that, turn it over to the next page. All right, and we're looking at this part of the page this time. All right, I'm going to pull it down here. Put your finger on the first word here. Find the first word. And if you can read it with me, read along with me. If not, just point to the words and I'll help you read it. Here we go. Ready? It says circle the object that could be part of the set. We have a set here. This is a set. It's inside a circle box. All right? Tell me what's inside the box, class. Tell me what they are. What is this? A school bus, a flower, and a doghouse. Now, what is this thing? A flip-flop, and this is what? A flag. It's called a pennant. It says, go team. Does the flip-flop or the flag match the set by color? Which one?
That one.
Raise your hand if you can tell me.
Flipper.
Mackenzie, which one? The flip-flop or the flag?
Flip-flop.
The flip-flop, because it's the same color, right? So circle the flip-flop. Very good. It's the same color. We were looking for blue, right? Now let's look at the next set. What color is the next set? Green. Christian, what is this?
Apple.
An apple. Benjamin, what's this?
Sock.
A sock. Lydia, what's this thing?
Watering can.
A watering can. What is this next one, guys?
A shovel.
A shovel. And Rhett. Rhett, what is this last thing? A hat. Which one, the shovel or the hat, which one matches the color of our set? Very good. If you said the hat, very good. Circle the hat. Nice job. This is super duper easy, isn't it? Yeah. All right. One more set. What color is our set? Red. Julia, what is this? Zoe, what's this? A ball. And what is this, Madeline? A boot. What is this thing, Lily? A balloon. And Mason, what is this? A barn. What color is the balloon? What color is the barn? Which one matches our set? How many of you say barn? Give me a thumbs up. How many of you say balloon? Give me a thumbs down. It is a, which one matches? The barn. If you said the barn, circle the barn. Very good. All right. Now, let's see if we can challenge you. Okay. We're going to look down here. We have time. This says time to review. Put your finger here. Let's read this. Put an X on the object that is different. So we are going to make an X, a crisscross applesauce. What do we have in our first row? Apples. One of the apples is different. Can you put an X on it? Don't tell me which one. This is for you to think in your head and do by yourself. Which apple is different? And put an X. This is an X. That's what an X looks like. It goes crisscross. Is it this one? Or this one, or this one, or this one. Which one is it? Don't tell me. You mark it on your paper, okay? When you have it done, put your hand on your head. When you mark the one that is different, put your hand on your head. Skylar, did you do it? Okay. Mason, did you do it? All right. Very good. Now, the bottom row is what? Yeah, we have emojis down here, don't we? Smiley, okay? Which face is different? Put an X on the one that is different. An X, just like that. Is it this one, or this one, or this one, or this one? Put an X